the game didn't happen, but we wanted to try out this combination where if we play 4 specialist bowlers back home, where we feel we might not have the need for the 5th bowler, because if you play 3 spinners on spin friendly wickets, then it probably does the job for you. That for me is one aspect that's been really pleasing to see, how Shami's come back as well, how Bhuvi's come back to full fitness. He's bowling good speeds with swing as well. Ishant has always been consistently hitting good areas for us. Rankings keep going up and down. You don't play for rankings, but you obviously want to be a very strong side in the world, and that's always been our aim, to be the best side in the world. Saha के रन्स बनना, अश्विन नंबर 6 पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना, ये कुछ एरियाज थे जो हमें इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत थी, क्योंकि अगर आप जैसे 5 बॉलर खिला रहे हैं, तो अगर आपको पता है लोअर ऑर्डर भी कॉन्फिडेंस में है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा, तो जो टॉप ऑर्डर है आपका वो और फ्रीली खेल सकता है.